Okay, friends, I recently ran into this issue with my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I make a lot of videos, and yeah, for some reason, all of a sudden, I started uploading my videos from my phone onto my PC here, and it started doing this into my folder. So it would just sit there, never bring up a thumbnail or anything from my video. And you can see up at the top corner here, it would just seem like it's thinking. And even if I try to delete these videos, it's not letting me. So basically the only way I can delete them, I can't even play these videos. So if I try to play it, it just says checking codec availability. We're checking if we have a codec for this item. So that doesn't even play. The only way I was able to play them or even see them was drag them into my Wondershare for Filmora and then play them off that. So I was like, what is going on? Everything was working fine. I'd make a video, perfect, and now I have to do all this stuff just to even see my thumbnail or whatever. So I was like, that's not cool. Okay, so I figured out what was going on. And what we want to do is just check out our video settings here. So just go into your video on your phone here, and then we're just going to go into settings real quick. All right, just go into settings on your phone, bring up your video there, whatever, tap on the settings, and then you want to go down to advanced video options, and it has this one, high efficiency videos or whatever. So I clicked on that and I just turn it off. There it is right there. Turn it off. Because if it's on, it says reduce the file size by saving videos in HVAC format instead of H.264. Some apps may not support HVAC format. Whatever. Anyways, I turned that off and it's working fine. I might have just go to defaults. I don't know if that got turned on somehow, but I turned that off. I made a quick video, instantly appeared as normal with a thumbnail. I can play it. So if anyone else is running into that weird issue, I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching this video, my friends, and I'll see you next time.